Today we're talking about population ecology. And population ecology is the study of how communities of organisms grow, develop, and interact over time. This field we can roughly break down into two areas: genetic population changes, which is actually what I study in university, and non-genetic population changes. Genetic population changes relate to allele frequencies within populations. This is the quantitative or number-based method that we put behind a lot of ecological, genetic, and evolutionary theory. So when we say that a population is evolving, we don't actually just say, oh, we look at it and it's changing. No, we actually see that by measuring the allele frequencies from year to year and assessing whether or not that is likely due to random non-evolutionary variation. Then non-genetic population changes involve things like population growth, interaction between species, what their types of relationships are, how they interact with their ecosystem, and the behaviors of their interactions. Now, it is important to note that even though I'm saying we can roughly divide this into genetic and non-genetic, the two absolutely influence each other. They are not an island. This is just, again, human way of compartmentalizing subjects into things that are easier for us to focus as this is a thing, even though all of science is really interconnected, and that's just a way of describing how reality is. So some reminders about important terminology in this unit. When we talk about an organism, we are of course talking about an individual living thing. A population is then a group of individuals of the same species. A community is two or more populations that occupy the same space. And then the ecosystem is the combination of a community and the environment that those populations inhabit. So we can build down into levels of this, all the way from the individual to a species, to multiple species, to the species and the abiotic factors all around them.